Jersey number 9, sidestep. Kabos! Na-rebounds on jersey number 12, pass to jersey number 30. Pass to jersey number 23. Now jersey number 23 to jersey number 3, back to 30. To jersey number 12. Quick, 10 to shoot. 3-point attempt. No good. A rebound taken by jersey number 22. Now jersey number 22 to coast to coast. Layup. There is always a foul. First. Wala kitang dua. Now jersey number 30. A screen by jersey number 34. Attacking the basket. Clear drive, no good. Rebound taken by jersey number 26. Now jersey number 26 coast to coast. Drop pass to the corner. No good. Nakuha si jersey number 3. Pass to jersey number 30. Now jersey number 30. Attacking the basket. Layup, no good. Rebound taken by jersey number 34. Ball away jumper. Bang! Balik sa siya mga banse.
Aranda.
Wala na, sungaw ng singgit.
43-35.
Jersey number 26. To jersey number 2. To jersey number 30. Played away now 2 points. Now jersey number 30. 37, 43. Screen, jersey number 30, attacking sa step, block! Jersey number 30, 3-point attempt, no good. Rebound taken by jersey number 3. Pass it na, may isang basa! Foul! Basket count! Foul, jersey number...
Bonus shot.
Jersey number 26 to jersey number 9. Pass. Jersey number 30. Drop pass to jersey number 6. 10 to shoot. Jersey number 9. Kabo. Now jersey number 12. Pass to jersey number 9. To jersey number 23. 3-point attempt. No good. Rebound by jersey number 06. Pass to jersey number 9. Jersey number 9. Pass to 23 to 30. Back to 23. Attacking the basket. Tear grab 2 points.
Just by Jimenez. 39-45. 6-point lead.
Nung na naman siya. 39-45. Now jersey number 3. Pass to jersey number 9. Now jersey number 9. Kick out to jersey number 23. Pull out jumper. No good. 10 to shoot. Nakuha sa jersey number 12. Now jersey number 12 to 23 to jersey number 9. Now jersey number 9 attacking the basket. There is a whistle foul. Jersey number 23. Pass to jersey number 9. 10 to shoot. Bang! 2 points.
Elvis. 41-45.
Jersey number 13.
Ang abanse. Sang Navais.
Arras by jersey number 23. Now jersey number 23 looking for pass to jersey number 3. Attacking the basket, kick out, steal. Now jersey number 23. Pass to jersey number 9. Attacking the basket. Back kabo! Ana, may sa magkabo. Nakuha si jersey number 23. Pass to jersey number 12. Buwa di tao. To jersey number 30. Aray ko, taway-taway.
By Aranda.
Balik sa ano lanse.
47-41.
Jersey number 23. To jersey number 30. Sidestep layup blocked by jersey number 30. Another pass break to jersey number 23. Steal. Now jersey number 23, rush by jersey number 23. Pass to jersey number 30, back to 23, to jersey number 9. Now jersey number 9, screen by jersey number 06. 10 to shoot, jersey number 23. 5 to shoot, scramble and no good. A rebound by jersey number 30. Now jersey number 30 attacking basket, there is a whistle. Foul, committed. Rebound taken by jersey number 04. Now jersey number 23, pass to jersey number 9. Asking for screen. Jersey number 9 to the middle. Pull up jumper. No good. Rebound taken by jersey number 04. Save. 10 to shoot. Jersey number 23, no good. Rebound taken by jersey number 34. Pass to 30. Pass break to 23. Nice pass! Brother to brother connection.
49-41.
Balik sa walo. Now jersey number 19 to 23 to jersey number 9. To the corner, pull up jumper, bang! There's a whistle. Foul by jersey number 23. Screen by jersey number 24. Jersey number 30. Attacking the basket. No good. There's a whistle. Foul. Jersey number 30 to jersey number 12. 3-point attack. No good. Rebound by jersey 2 points.
By Palma. 51.
Now jersey number 23.
3.
Pass to jersey number 2.
Vinicio.
Kick out to the corner. So jersey number 19. 10 to shoot. Jersey number 23. 3-point attack. No good. Rebound taken by jersey number 12. Pass to jersey number 30. Ten to shoot.
By Padon.
Nice move.
Pulo avance 53-43.
Pulo na avanse. 2 minutes and 45. 43-53. Now jersey number 9. Pass to jersey number 23 to 19 point. Jersey number 19 to 10 to shoot. 3-point attempt, no good. Rebound by 04. Foul!
Bonus shot.
Tapos. Pulo banse. Now jersey number 30.
Adol.
Screen by jersey number 24. Now jersey number 30. Pass to 24. Back to 30. 10 to shoot. 3-point attempt. No good. Rebound taken by jersey number 04. Pass to jersey number 2 to 23. To jersey number 9. To jersey number 19. Fake. Hatang naman to kick out to jersey number 9. 3-point attempt. No good. Rebound taken by jersey number 23. Now jersey number 23 dribbling the ball. Now jersey number 23. 10 to shoot. Jersey number 23. Oh, mok na naman.
By Padol. Iron.
Balik sa puli. 1 minute and 25.
10-point lead. Navaez.
Now jersey number 23 to jersey number 2. Fade away, no good. Rebound taken by jersey number 23 to jersey number 9. Now jersey number 9, 10 to shoot. Pull up number no good. Rebound taken by jersey number 30. Now jersey number 30, pass to 23. At 1 minute, jersey number 23 drop pass. Back to 13. To jersey number 30. 3-point attempt. No good. Rebound with jersey number 23. 50 seconds. 50. Jersey number 19. There's a whistle.
First throw. Wala.
Wala.
Last throw. One out of two by Jimenez.
O siya mabansi. 44.
46-55.
40. Jersey number 3. Harassed by jersey number 22. Pass to jersey number 9. 10 to shoot. 30. Ano, Nick Garasa. The last 2 points.
By Palma.
20.
46-57.
15. 10. Jersey number 22, layup, no good. 5.
Benicio.
Wala na pun. Out of bounds.
That's the end of the third quarter.
End of third quarter.
46-57. Still in favor of Navaez.
11. 57-46. Navaez.